Met someone new or want to connect with a friend on Viber who isn't in your contacts yet? Learn how to easily add a new contact and expand your wishing circle. Viber primarily works by synchronizing your phone's address book. If a contact is already saved in your phone with a phone number linked to a Viber account, they will usually appear automatically in your Viber contact list. So, what you want to do is, from the Viber app, tap on the floating message bubble by the bottom right corner. There, you can search through your list of contacts to find the Viber user you're looking for. Tapping on a user will show their contact in your chat screen. In the case that you don't have a person saved to your contacts, you can also directly type down their number in the search bar. Once you type it down, tap on the option labeled Add, followed by the number you typed down. If that number is connected to a Viber account, you'll be able to text them normally in Viber. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, be sure to go on and hit the like and subscribe buttons. That's a small action from you that helps make a big difference for us. And as always, feel free to comment your experience down below. See you soon! Bye bye!